Hey everybody, I came to tell you how this system has literally changed my life. I can't even put into words how much the Queen's Path trading system has literally changed my life. I literally used to dread looking at the markets, but now I'm confident in every move that I make. I want to say thank you, Coach Misty. Your system has given me something I've never had before: hope. I've seen results, I've grown as a trader, and most importantly, I believe in myself again. Thanks, Misty. You've truly changed the game for me. Peace out.